solution. Let's cross multiply. We have 2 multiplied by root x equals 8 times x, give us 8x. Let's square both sides. So we have 2 multiplied by root x, all in parentheses, square equals 8x, all in parentheses, square. Then let us recall we have m times n, all in parentheses, square equals m square times n square. So here will be 2 square times root x square equals 8 square times x square. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. This cancel out this. We have it to be 4x equals 8 square will give us 64x square. Now from here, if you try to divide through by x, so we are not going to have the complete solution. So from here, let's divide through by 4 first. This will cancel out this. We have x equals 64 divided by 4 will give us 16x square. Now from here, let's take this x to the other side and have here to be 0, and you write the everything. So we are going to have 16x square minus x equals 0. So from here, let's factor what is common between them is x. 16x squared divided by x will be 16x. Minus divided by this plus we have here will be minus x divided by x will be 1 equals 0. Then let us recall from 0 product rule. And from here we have x equals 0 from 0 product rule. Before we can have this expression to be equal 0, or we have 16x minus 1 to be equal 0. If either of these equal to 0, definitely here will be 0. Now from here, if x equal to 0, let's verify. Recall that we have 2 times root x over x equals 8. If x equal to 0 from here, we are not going to have anything here. This here will be an invalid. So therefore, x equal to 0, we reject this. Now, let's go with x 16 minus 16x minus 1 equals 0. Then from here we have 16x. Let's add plus 1. 0 will be plus 1. So we have 16x. 0 plus 1 is 1. Divide through by 16. Divide through by 16. This will cancel out this. We have x equals 1 over 16. So x equals 1 over 16. Now we can actually check for this. So we have 2 multiplied by root x over x equals 8. Then from here we have to cross multiply. 2 multiplied by root x, we can cross it to be equals 8x. Let's verify them. 2 times root 1 over 16 equals 8 times 1 over 16. Now we have 2, root 1 is 1, root 16, this will be 4. So here is going to be 4. Then from here, 8 here is 1, 8 here is 2. So we have here to be 1 over 2. Then 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. We have here to be 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2. So the left equals to the right hand side, and this tells us that x equals 1 over 16 is correct. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more math tutorial videos.